beautiful red train winding its way through the mountains. It is such a peaceful morning for a journey, isn't it?
I see it. It is heading right toward the crossing. Maybe it's going to stop for a giant mountain goat snack break?
Not quite, my friend. Oh dear, look at the tracks. A massive rock has fallen right in the path. The train cannot pass safely like this. Don't worry, the hero of the day has arrived. Look at that sturdy orange tractor rolling in to save the situation. Whoa, that tractor is strong. It's lifting that heavy rock as if it were just a little pebble. Incredible work! The path is clear once again. Watch as the train whistles a happy tune of gratitude while it rolls safely past the hard-working tractor. The work isn't done yet. Here comes a blue truck and a pink crane. They look like they have a big construction project to finish. That crane is reaching so high into the sky. It is carefully lifting a massive tunnel segment. Precision is key here, team. It's like a giant puzzle piece. The crane is lowering it perfectly over the tracks. It's going to be a brand new tunnel for the train. And there it is! A job well done by everyone involved. The train glides smoothly through the new tunnel, ready for its next big adventure. What a fantastic day for teamwork! Look at that sky. Nature's power really knows how to shake things up, doesn't it?
Whoa, hold on. Is that a giant Ferris wheel made of pancakes? I'm getting hungry just looking at it.
Actually, those are steel beams, not pancakes. Our construction friends are heading out to rebuild the city today. They look like a colorful parade. I see a blue excavator, a yellow truck, and a green roller. It's like a rainbow on wheels. That's a great observation. Each of these machines has a very important job to do to keep our streets smooth and safe.
I bet the Excavator is the leader of the pack, because he's the biggest, right?
He certainly leads the way! His powerful arm is perfect for clearing debris and preparing the ground for the others. Watch how he scoops those heavy rocks. It's like he's playing a giant game of catch with the dump truck. Teamwork makes the dream work. The roller is smoothing everything out while the truck carries the heavy load away.
Wait, if the truck is full, where is he going to take all those rocks? Into the moon?
Not quite. He's heading to a recycling center, so those materials can be used to build something new and strong. The green roller is doing his part, making sure every inch of the road is perfectly flat and ready for us. And here comes the cement mixer to finish the job. It's amazing how these machines work together to build our world. Thanks for joining our construction adventure today. See you next time. Bright orange truck cruising through the quiet forest road. It's on a very important mission today.
I bet it's carrying a giant mountain of candy to a secret forest party. Is it candy, maybe?
Not quite, silly. That dump truck is built for heavy work, like moving earth and rocks for a brand new construction project. Oh, I see it now! The truck has stopped, and look at that excavator go. It's digging a deep hole with such precision.
Like a giant mechanical arm. I bet it could scoop up a whole pile of toys in one single bite.
certainly is powerful, but its job here is to prepare the foundation so we can build something strong and lasting. Now the concrete mixer arrives. Hear that rumble? It's pouring the liquid stone that will turn this site into a solid base. Everything is coming together perfectly. From the heavy machinery and forest to the animals resting in the nearby zoos, nature and progress live side by side. What a wonderful day to see how the world is built! Welcome to our beautiful sun-drenched farm, where the cows graze peacefully in the morning light.
Look at that teal truck. I bet it's heading off to go race some other trucks on a secret highway, right?
Not quite, my energetic friend. That truck is actually preparing for a very important job, keeping our crops hydrated. Watch closely as the water mist falls over the orchard. It is the lifeblood that helps these trees thrive.
Wow, did you see that? The trees are practically glowing with fresh, ripe fruit now. It's like magic.
Now the harvester enters the scene. This giant machine is built specifically to gather the bounty we've grown. It moves with such efficiency, shaking the branches gently so the harvest can finally come home.
Look at all that fruit tumbling down. I'm going to go down there and grab a snack. Catch you later.
Hold your horses, hungry! The tractor is here to collect it all safely. Farming is a team effort, and today we have successfully brought in a wonderful harvest. See you next time! Look, the blue dump truck has arrived. Construction is officially underway today.
Is that a giant rolling pin for cookies? I'm so hungry.
Not quite. That is an orange road roller, used to flatten the ground perfectly.
Oh, I see now. And the cement mixer is bringing the sticky building goo.
Exactly. They are setting the metal frame to build a strong foundation. Everything is coming together so quickly. The mixer is getting ready to pour. Watch as the wet concrete fills the pit. It flows just like a thick gray river. It looks so smooth now. The foundation is solid and ready for the next step. Look at that. The concrete is setting fast. Great job, cement mixer. The mixer is backing away now, leaving behind a perfectly flat slab of concrete. Now they are lifting the steel beams high into the air to start the walls. The skeleton of the building is rising! It's a masterpiece of engineering.
Wait! The sky is turning dark. Look at that swirling wind approaching.
The storm is too strong. It's scattering everything we built today. Nature reminds us how small we are, but we will rebuild again soon. Stay safe, everyone. Look at that. The rain is finally clearing. Everything on the farm feels so refreshed and ready for a brand new day.
Oh, here comes the big red tractor. Is it going to take us on a tour of the local grocery store?
Not quite. That tractor is far too busy for errands. It has important work to do across the fields to keep our farm running smoothly. And look, who is joining the party? It is the yellow excavator, rolling along with such purpose.
I bet that machine is looking for buried treasure. Or maybe it's just trying to dig a giant swimming pool for the ducks.
I hate to break it to you, but it's actually digging a trench to help irrigate the garden, ensuring all our plants get plenty of water. The green tractor has arrived on the scene. It is pulling a trailer, which usually means it is time to bring in the harvest. Exactly right. From crisp carrots to sweet corn and juicy watermelons, the farm provides so much goodness. It is truly a bountiful day for everyone involved in this harvest. Thanks for exploring the farm with us today. Look at that strong blue excavator, marching steadily toward the farm. It has a very important job to do today.
Is he going to build a giant sandcastle? I bet he's making a sandcastle.
Not quite. Silly. Watch how it digs deep into the earth. It is clearing out a massive space to create something essential for the land.
Wow, that hole is getting huge. It's like a giant bowl waiting for a snack.
Here comes the help. See that green truck arriving with a heavy water tank? The transformation is about to begin. Look at all of them working together. One by one, they pour water into the basin. It is becoming a beautiful, refreshing pond. It is so quiet and peaceful now. A perfect little sanctuary for the farm. The yellow forklift is adding the final touch with a sturdy fence. Everything is perfectly in place now. What a wonderful day. Look closely at that yellow giant, steadily smoothing the road. It is a tireless machine at work.
I bet it's hungry for more gravel. Eat the whole street, Sarah?
Not exactly, Tim. But watch now. An orange helicopter has arrived to lift the paver away to safety.
Wow, look at it fly. It's like a mechanical bird carrying a heavy treasure to its nest.
The garage is its home base. See how gently the lift settles the machine into position? Everything is so perfectly organized here. Every tool has a specific place. It's time for some maintenance. That blue hammer helps keep the gears turning smoothly.
I'm sure the machine feels much better now. It's almost like it's getting a spa day for engines.
Fully restored and ready for duty once again. A job well done by the entire crew. Until next time. Welcome, explorers! Look at that curious barrel rolling along the road. It seems to be on a very important mission today.
Whoa! Did you see that yellow fellow? He is definitely the fastest slider in town.
That industrious dump truck is hard at work, clearing the path and heading toward the greenhouse. It's a busy day for construction.
He is back for another round. Nothing beats the thrill of a perfect slide, right?
Oh dear, watch out! A runaway tire has collided with the police car. That certainly wasn't in the patrol schedule.
He just keeps sliding. I think he's trying to set a world record for the most slides in one afternoon.
Careful now. That skid steer loader is struggling with its cargo. A clumsy bump into the wall, but it keeps moving.
Another slide. Have to admire his dedication to the slide life, even when things get chaotic.
The excavator is digging deep now, shaping the landscape as the day winds down. As our yellow friend takes his final slide, the fire truck races home to the greenhouse. What a busy, wonderful day of work and play we have witnessed together. Until next time, keep exploring. Look at that beautiful city. It's such a bright and peaceful morning, isn't it?
Wow, check out those big trucks. Are they going to a party?
Not quite, little friend. Those are construction vehicles heading out for a very important day of work.
Oh, I see. They have big wheels, so they must be professional road trippers.
They certainly are professionals. But they are focused on building and maintaining our city roads, not traveling for fun. They move with such rhythm, like a parade of heavy metal giants rolling through the streets. Exactly. Each one has a special job to do to keep the city running smoothly. Watch how carefully they navigate this intersection. Precision is key when you're that large.
They are staying in such a perfect line. It's like they're following an invisible map.
Uh-oh, look! The road is blocked by fallen logs. They have to stop suddenly. Don't worry, the yellow loader is stepping up to clear the path. That's what a good teammate does. Look at the teamwork! The loader scoops and the green dump truck catches. It's a perfect system. They are making quick work of this mess. The road will be clear in no time at all.
I bet they feel pretty proud of themselves for fixing that road so fast.
They certainly should be. With the path clear, our industrious friends are back on their way. The cement truck looks so happy rolling down the clear road. A job well done is the best reward. And as they head off into the city, we are reminded that teamwork keeps our world moving forward. Thanks for joining us today. Look at that bright orange excavator, moving along the riverbank like a giant metal explorer.
It's waving its arm around. Maybe it's trying to say hello to the fish in the water.
Not quite silly. It's actually warming up its hydraulics to get ready for some serious heavy lifting. Watch closely now as it uses that powerful bucket to grasp those heavy metal beams with such incredible precision. Here comes the green dump truck, rumbling down the road. It looks like it has a very important delivery to make.
Is it carrying a mountain of snacks? I bet it's a truck full of giant, crunchy chocolate boulders.
I'm afraid those are just sturdy construction rocks, perfect for stabilizing the riverbank. But your imagination is certainly hungry today. Job well done. The truck heads off, leaving the riverbank much stronger than it was before. Now look at that majestic yellow crane. It's lifting something truly special, a pirate-themed building structure.
A pirate base? That is the coolest thing I have ever seen. I want to be the captain of that building.
With steady cables and expert control, the crane gently lowers the structure into place, completing our construction adventure for today. What a wonderful day of building and teamwork! Look at that heavy-duty red truck moving through the city. It carries steel beams to help build our growing skyline.
Hey, that's a concrete mixer. I bet it's delivering giant scoop ice cream to the construction workers.
Actually, it mixes concrete, not ice cream. But wait! Look! Something is wrong at the building site. Oh no! A fire! Here comes the hero of the city, sirens wailing and lights flashing, rushing to save the day. The firefighters are professionals. See how quickly they connect the hoses? Water blasts out to cool the heat instantly. They aren't stopping for a second. It takes immense pressure to push that much water up against the flames. Persistence is key here. Every drop of water makes the building safer. They really know how to handle an emergency. The danger has passed, and the heroes head home. It is truly inspiring to see them keep our city safe every single day. See you next time! hillside. It seems like such a peaceful day for a drive, doesn't it?
Oh no! It tipped over! Maybe it tried to do a backflip? I bet it's just practicing its nap time.
Not quite, silly. Accidents happen, but thankfully, heavy machinery is on the way to help. See the big excavator and the tow truck arriving? The excavator is using its massive bucket like a giant spoon to clear those heavy rocks. It's working so hard to make space for the rescue.
It is like a construction ballet. Clearing the path is the most important step before they can lift the little one back up.
Watch closely now. The excavator operator is incredibly precise, gently nudging the skid steer to get it back onto its wheels. Every movement must be calculated. Success! The skid steer is back on its feet and ready to be loaded. Teamwork really does make the dream work. With the skid steers safely secured on the tow truck, it heads off for repairs. It is wonderful to see how these machines work together to solve problems. Thanks for joining us on this rescue mission. Look closely. In this serene valley, a brown bear is embarking on a most unusual and busy adventure behind the wheel.
I bet he's heading to a bear-sized drive-thru for a giant salmon burger. Am I right?
Not quite. He's actually very focused on a much more important task today. See how he follows the yellow dump truck? They are working together to transport a heavy load of logs across the landscape. They are moving with such steady purpose. It is truly remarkable to witness such coordination in the wild.
Oh, look! The yellow truck is lifting its bed. It must be time to unload the cargo.
Exactly right. That massive pile of timber will serve a very specific purpose for our furry friend. They are using the logs to build a bridge right over the river. That is some top-tier engineering. There he goes, crossing the bridge with confidence. A job well done by our industrious bear. As the sun sets over this peaceful farm, we see how nature and hard work come together in perfect harmony. Thanks for joining our adventure today. And remember to keep exploring the wonders of the world. Calm morning in the city. Everything seems so peaceful, doesn't it?
Wait, is that a tractor just cruising through the middle of the street? That's definitely not a taxi.
Oh my goodness! The tractor has completely flipped over. That looks like quite a serious accident.
It's getting chaotic down there. The entire building is crumbling into piles of dust and rubble.
Amidst the wreckage, a yellow excavator arrives. These powerful machines are designed specifically to clear heavy debris and help restore order. The excavator is carefully inspecting the overturned tractor. It's like a mechanical detective assessing the scene.
I bet he's going to flip it back over. Or maybe he's just clearing a path for the other trucks.
The work is steady and precise. In urban construction, every movement is calculated to ensure the site remains safe and efficient. Now, a large dump truck enters the frame. It carries away the debris so the rebuilding process can finally begin. And there goes the cement truck, pouring fresh concrete to build a new foundation. It's truly amazing how a city rebuilds itself. As the sun sets on these streets, we see the city finding its rhythm once again. Thank you for joining us on this construction journey today. Look at that sleepy yellow excavator waking up. I think he has a big plan for today.
He's calling his friend! Are they going to build a giant mountain of dirt post-A?
Not quite. They are working together to dig a deep, perfect hole in the earth. It is a true team effort.
Oh, I know. Is the fire truck going to put out a fire in that hole? That sounds super dangerous.
Actually, he is filling it with fresh water. Watch as it transforms into a beautiful, sparkling pond.
Wow, now it's a swimming pool for trucks. Can I jump in next?
That yellow truck is carefully lining the edges with stones to finish the landscape. It has become a peaceful oasis in the field. What a wonderful day of teamwork and construction. Goodbye for now, little friends. Look at that yellow truck, team. It's heading out from the warehouse with a very heavy roller in tow.
I bet that roller is for smoothing out giant pancakes. Wait, why is it picking up speed so fast?
Oh no! That barrier came out of nowhere. A sudden stop for our yellow friend.
Don't worry. Here comes the red tow truck to the rescue. It's like a superhero of the construction world.
Exactly. The tow truck operator is a true professional. See how carefully they maneuver to provide assistance. It takes precision to handle such heavy machinery safely. Hooked up and ready to roll. That red truck makes it look so easy to pull the load away. Now look over there. That green excavator is working hard, filling the orange dump truck with earth.
Is the cement mixer just waiting for its turn to be the star of the show? It's very patient.
It's all about coordination. The excavator has finished its task, and the dump truck is ready to move on. Watch the orange truck climb that ramp with determination. It's carrying quite a heavy burden, but it reaches the top to release its cargo. done, the machines head home for a well-deserved rest. What a productive day at the site, everyone. See you next time. Look at that! The cleanup crew has arrived! That powerful yellow machine is the excavator, and it's starting to clear away all this debris.
Is that a giant yellow robot coming to eat the trash? It's so big!
Not quite a robot, it's a dump truck. It works in perfect harmony with the excavator to haul away everything that's blocking the road. They are so efficient. Teamwork makes the dream work, even on a construction site.
I bet that truck is getting really heavy now. Time to head out and dump that load somewhere else.
The excavator is incredibly diligent, isn't it? It doesn't stop until every last bit of rubble is scooped up and moved out of the way. Watch it go! The street is finally starting to look like a normal road again as the truck clears the path. Now a skid steer loader is jumping into the action. It's small but mighty, helping to gather the final piles. With the last of the debris loaded, the area is almost completely clear. These machines really saved the day. Finally, the road roller comes through to smooth everything out. It's been a busy day of hard work, but look at the result. A clean, safe street for everyone. Look at that marvelous green tractor, working in perfect rhythm to gather the harvest.
It's like a giant yellow caterpillar, leaving a trail of snacks behind it. Are those bales of cheese?
Not quite, silly. Those are hay bales. But wait, look, now the tractor is harvesting bright orange fruit.
Oh, a fruit salad harvest. And now it's switching to crunchy red radishes. This machine does everything!
It truly is diligent work, moving steadily through the field to ensure nothing is left behind.
Hold your horses. Those aren't radishes anymore. Those are giant green watermelons rolling along.
You have a sharp eye today. The harvest rhythm continues as the tractor gathers every last melon. A change of pace now as a lovely pink tractor arrives to see what needs moving next. It's heading past the barns, probably off to find some heavy lifting to do. Look at that orange telehandle go. It's the muscle of the farm, moving with such precision.
It's stacking everything onto the blue pickup truck. That truck is going to be very full.
Coordinated teamwork ensures the load is balanced and safe for its journey. With the final stack placed, the loading process is complete and perfectly orderly. Look at that red tractor go, pulling a trailer full of treasures across the golden fields. What a magnificent day on the farm. The harvest is gathered and the work is finally complete. Goodbye for now. Look up! That giant transport plane is carrying something truly massive across the ocean toward our island.
I bet it's a giant crate full of beach balls and tropical smoothies. Or maybe a portable marshmallow factory.
Not quite. Silly. That is heavy-duty construction equipment arriving to help us build something truly magnificent. The doors are swinging open now. Let's see what kind of mechanical marvels are hiding inside.
Wow, look at that excavator go! It's moving those boulders like they're made of nothing but soft, fluffy pillows.
Precision is key here. That loader is carefully clearing the path to ensure the foundation remains perfectly level. Heavy stone to prepare the site for the next phase of construction.
I'm starting to think they're clearing space for something much bigger than a marshmallow factory, aren't they?
Comes the concrete mixer. This is the moment the structure finally begins to take its permanent, solid form. It's pouring steady streams of concrete into the foundation. It's like watching a giant stone puzzle come to life. Behold the finished masterpiece, a magnificent stone castle standing proud against the violet sky. Truly triumphant end to our construction adventure. Look at that. The fire truck is rushing to save the day. See how powerful that water stream is?
Is it trying to wash the building clean? Maybe it needs a bubble bath.
Oh, not quite. It is cooling down the heat to keep everyone safe. It is very important work. Everything is quiet now. Even the big cement mixer is just resting on the street.
Look, here comes the forklift. It is like a busy little bee buzzing down the road.
Forklifts are amazing machines designed to lift and move heavy things with such precision. It is approaching the cement mixer now. What is it planning to do with that giant drum? I cannot believe my eyes. It just lifted the whole mixer up. That is one strong machine. And that is a wrap for our mechanical adventure. Look at this peaceful desert town. It is such a beautiful, quiet day under the bright blue sky.
Whoa, did you see that? It looks like a giant spicy meatball falling from space.
That is actually a meteor, not a meatball. It is incredibly hot and dangerous. But look, a blue truck is rushing in to help.
The truck needs backup. Oh, look at those cool excavators coming out of the container to save the day.
Teamwork is essential here. By working together, the machines can move the heavy debris and restore order to the desert landscape. Precision is key. The red excavator carefully lifts the cooled rock and loads it away for study.
Those excavators are super strong. They make clearing giant boulders look like a piece of cake.
It is remarkable how quickly the environment recovers when everyone contributes their strength. From chaos to order, the town is finally safe again, and peace has returned to the desert.
What an incredible day. Thanks for joining us for this little adventure.
Look at that bright yellow loader. It is working hard to clear the field today.
That blue dump truck is waiting in the shed like it is ready for a big nap.
Actually, it is not napping at all. The excavator is using its special grapple to load hay bales for the farm. Precision is key here. Every single bale must be stacked perfectly to stay safe. Mission accomplished. The truck is heading out to deliver its cargo. Now things are getting serious. They are loading the excavator onto that flatbed to travel to a new site.
Is it going to drive itself there? That would be funny.
Not quite. It needs the truck for long distances. See? It has arrived and is already digging a deep trench. Watch how the operator moves the bucket. It is like an extension of their own arm, scooping away the earth.
Wait, did they just change the front part? It looks like a giant drill now.
Exactly right. It is boring deep into the earth to prepare the foundation for something new. The dump truck is back, bringing in heavy metal grids to reinforce the structure. Here comes the cement. It flows like liquid stone into the trench. With the bridge crossed and the work complete, we see the true power of teamwork and engineering. What a productive day!